Good morning, students. In this class, we are discussing simple concepts of isotopes, isobar, isotone, isomers, and mirror nuclei. See, this is a basic concepts. We all know that the difference or comparison between isotopes, isotones, isobars, etc. Isotopes. See, these are nuclei with same atomic number but have different mass numbers. And isotopes of an element have same number of protons but differ in number of neutrons. For example, see uranium 235 92, uranium 238 92. Here atomic number is same but differs in mass number. Similarly, hydrogen 1H1, deuterium 1H2, tritium 1H3. And in case of carbon 612, 613, 614. See, this is isotopes. And isobars. Here isobars have same mass number A but different atomic number Z. These are nuclei of different elements and have different chemical and physical properties. For example, here only difference is mass number is same. For example, oxygen 18, oxygen 8 and 16, oxygen, and another one is nitrogen 16 7, and argon 40 18, calcium 40 20. See, these are the isobars. And isotones, these are nuclei having same number of neutrons. Here number of neutrons in this nucleus remains constant, like carbon 14, nitrogen 15, oxygen 18. For all these cases, here carbon 14 6, atomic number is 6, mass number is 14. In this case, the number of neutrons is 14 minus 6, 8. In case of nitrogen, 14. In case of nitrogen, take 15. 15 minus 7, that is 8 neutrons. In case of 16, oxygen, that is 16 minus 8, 8 neutrons. Next one is here isotones completed. Next, isomers. See, here the pair of number species having same atomic number and mass number, that is isotopic and isobaric, but have different radioactive properties, are called nuclear isomers. The phenomena of existence of nuclear isomers is called nuclear isomerism. They differ in their nuclear energy states, like internal structure, half-life, time. Isomeric state is denoted by letter M, and it is also attached to the nuclide. For example, consider nuclear isomers UX2 and UZ. Here both of these values have same A and Z, and its half-life is 1.18 minute and UZ as half-life 6.66 hours. And another one is mirror nuclei. Here two nuclei having same number of nucleons. Nucleons means the number of protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleons. But the number of protons in one of them being equal to the number of neutrons in the other nucleus. See, these are pairs of isobars differing in atomic number by 1. For example, consider carbon 11 6, boron 11 5. From this case, 6 protons and 5 neutrons. Other examples like lithium 7, beryllium 7, 1H3, and in case of hydrogen isotopes 1H3, 2He3, and carbon 13 and carbon 13 6, and nitrogen 13 7. See, these are the mirror nucleus, means number of protons in one of the nucleus being equal to the number of neutrons in the other. In both the nucleus, number of protons or neutrons equal to each other. So these are the concepts we will discuss today, that is isotopes, isobars, isotones, isomers and mirror nucleus.